Good Sunday morning. Paul here with West Coast Freight Shakers and 4G Farms. Thanks for tuning in to another episode. Today we're going to be jockeying trucks around and trailers. So we're going to take in, I got the tarp on the other trailer. And we're going to put it where Brownie is. And then so we're going to have to move Green out of the way. And then I've got, let's see if you can see it here. Oh, Brownie behind me. I just flipped the camera around. All right, so we are going to be using the tractor here. Good old 40-30 John Deere, hooked to Brownie, and we're going to tow this baby. And around the barn, we're going to go this way and around the barn, and I won't be able to catch it all, and then come back around and then into the barn. So let's go ahead and get everything fired up so it can warm up, and then we can get this party started. So I appreciate everyone tuning in today. I've got a bunch of little pieces that we'll go ahead and turn it on down here. There we go. Got a bunch of little pieces I'll splice together and make some little other videos of, and let's go ahead and turn her on. We got the block heater on, so we'll fire it up for it to go. Oh. Timing. Come around here. Good old 40-30. Oh, don't mind the view here. There she is, all fired up. We got everything warm up. Oh yeah. So I think we've got everything done. It's actually a beautiful day out too. You can see the horizon here. Got the wheel lines in the background. But we've had 7 or 8 days of freezing fog, so it's been a little gloomy and miserable here. We're just gonna walk around here. Take a quick look. Everything's hooked up. Get a little muddy in the barnyard here, but I think we'll be okay. So, get everything done there. Get the old brown truck in there so we can start working on it. So the next videos are going to be us getting this thing cleaned out. Over there, I want to take and, I got to replace the radiator too. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the truck cleaned out. That's going to be on a video because that's pretty gnarly in there. And then we'll be getting the cab up and then kind of going through it and getting this thing started. So I got to replace the radiator, do a bunch of hoses, fuel lines. So on that note, I'm going to go ahead and find a home for you, and we'll get things start jockeying around. All right, let's start moving equipment around. All right, everyone, I'm back. Had to get the neighbor to come on over and give us a hand. In theory, it all sounds like it's going to work pretty good, but we're on kind of a little bit of a hill. Without the trucks having brakes, it just kind of wants to slam in the back of the tractor. So I really don't want to have to replace anything else but the radiator. So got neighbor Matt here. So hopefully everything works out good. Stay tuned. Watch it as we go. slam the front of that truck. But let me move you inside and then we'll keep it going. All right, as you saw that she's in. Had a little free rolling going on. A couple times I had to hop out and put a block in the front of the tire so that we wouldn't take out the tractor. So let's give you a quick overall where we're sitting. All right, as you can see, she's got a new home here. This is where she's going to be all winter. So we will be working on her inside. And I put a towel down because it's a pretty gnarly seat. Chain, we got the radiator we're gonna be fixing, but he's in here, so I'm excited. We've got a lot of good videos to be making on this, and hopefully a lot of commentary because it's gonna be kind of doing what I can do, and then see what else there is left. So, but she's in. I am excited. I am really excited. All right, and with that being said, we'll call this one a wrap. I really appreciate everyone watching, and please like and subscribe, and comment down below, because I do respond and get back to every one of them. So, till the next one, thanks.